Hi, I'm James Mitchell, the CEO here at Workshop Software. I always love it when we bring out new features. This video is about a new feature in Workshop Software. I'm sure you're going to love the feature. If you like the video, press like and subscribe to the channel to get more info and keep up to date with Workshop Software. Thanks a lot. You've taken a video on the mobile phone app and you've uploaded it automatically directly to the Workshop invoice. You can click on it to play it if you want, and you can play it yourself. Alternatively, we can click on send and we can send it via email or SMS. So we simply click on email, click on send, and that will go and send that email off to the customer. Customer opens up their email, so this is the customer now, and they can see the video. Then they get presented with the actual video. They can play it and see exactly what's going on. So this could be a video about repairs that might need to be done, particular information that you want to give to a client. All of that sort of information is really, really effective and a great way of communicating very simply and very effectively with your clients.